So today we're going to do an oil change on my Mercedes gl450. So we're gonna take out this cover to reveal the oil filter and this filter. I don't have the adapter for this, so I just use these pliers. And you could loosen this. I actually tried loosening it to verify if I don't need to buy a wrench adapter for this. Okay, so we're gonna go down and open the drain. So the Mercedes doesn't have a plastic cover over here, so the drain plug is just visible over here. And this is the status of my under the engine. Boot's still okay. Yep, the ball joints are okay. Yep, that side is okay too. I think I'm hearing some squeaking on this bushing during cold weather. Oh yeah. Yep. This one is the one that's making the noise. Yep. Well, there you go. Yep. After removing the 13mm drain plug. Yeah, it's really old. That's my replacement filter, Wicks. I wasn't able to buy the what's that, the other one? I forgot the name. And these are the O-rings. This one over here, and these smaller ones go over this one and this one. So the filter looks like this. The construction is a little bit different, but same size. And these are the O-rings. Got the big O-ring and the small O-rings in place. Yep, time to put it back. Time to put it back. Okay. Tighten it. Okay, we still have some drips going on, but I think it's okay to put the drain plug back in. Okay, so I'm tightening the drain plug. This is a 13mm, and wipe it off so that we will know if it's not leaking. So we're gonna put 9 quarts of this. Almost 9 quarts. It was a windy day, and look at the mess that I created. Ah, crap. Yeah. So yeah, a sudden gust of wind just came by and blew away the oil. It's over here. They put in like 9 quarts. So yep. Oh my goodness. Okay, everything looks good, no leaks. Engine is running fine. It's there. Gonna put back the cover. It's just like the cover just slides in here. Probably need to buy a new intake pipe since this This is cracked.